This is 7 days later from the beginning. We started on June 5th, and here we go. This is day 7 at the Guatemala Maya Center, and productivity is still going on. Working on organizing, unpacking, and taking inventory of all of the goods that have been collected and the effort. How many pallets have you done today, Daniel?
5.
Daniel, how much stuff do you think that you guys have sent out already?
Well, we sent out 13 pallets. God knows how many stuff we actually got. How much stuff we actually got.
Right.
Sí, ahí está.
Sí, está bien.
Está bien.
El que no se caiga, así como pasó.
Y ahora ya me perdí.
Ahora
¿es
sí, así es.
Ajá. Es que lo importante es
Sí, para
que
no-
hay
para que
peso
no se
encima
caiga,
de
sí.
las líneas, ¿verdad?
Para que no se caiga.
Está suave, está suave.
Ponelo así también. Porque ya no hay más de 40, porque se va a hacer así. O va a ser así.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you have 20 of the gauze sponges, and it doesn't have any expiration. This doesn't expire.
Volunteers as young as my friend Andy here, who's not supposed to answer phones. And we've had some volunteers who are retired, people from all over the county. Probably had on Saturday and Sunday alone about 250 volunteers, and throughout the week maybe another 50 people. So we got a lot of work done. We have 11 pallets that are at the storage unit now waiting to be shipped, and we have another probably about 7 or 8 pallets outside ready to be picked up tomorrow. Well, the Going Supermarkets has 5 pallets that are going to storage tomorrow. So we're already, we've already filled up a shipping container, and we're looking for our second shipment.
Carry this effort on. I mean, how long do you think you can keep it up?
Well, I think it just depends on the people, and we're here, we're available for the people who are willing to donate and the volunteers who are willing to help out. And without donations from the community and without volunteers from the community, then we wouldn't be doing this in the first place. We hope not. We hope that someone like the Red Cross or another agency takes over this part of the effort. You know, but we're just going to keep doing it until people find a different way to help.
What country is that in?
St. Juliana.
Oh, the school, the church.
Day 12 at the Guatemala Maya Center. Our community continuing our efforts to send relief to the victims of fuego in Guatemala.
Right, it has been a week and a half actually.
I can tell you that we have 25 pallets already assembled. We're estimating another 10 at least. to fill up a container that may fill up, I believe, 40 pallets. But yeah, just an incredible amount of food, incredible amount of personal hygiene products. Once we get all this organized, we're hoping to move on to clothing, which is another task in itself.
We put out a call for donations for more medication, and we had a call from the widow of a veteran who donated unopened medical supplies. We have catheters, we have IVs, we have wheelchairs, wheelchair parts, a lot of pain medication, over-the-counter pain medication. We're really grateful for the family that donated this. Thank you to Teresa Richter for putting this together, and also thank you for all the veterans and their families who supported this work. Increased our volunteer list by over 200 people. We have donors that have been coming in, and even as far away as Orlando, driving down here with supplies. So we're pretty grateful for the response and think it's been a really outpouring of support from the community. Volunteers and financial contributions are the two biggest things people could do right now. Obviously the donations help, but without a way to finance it or a way to pack these boxes, then we're sort of stuck. So anybody that can come and give a couple hours each day, it's a great help. We're going to be working throughout the month of June to pack these up. We already have about 44 pallets ready to go. We're waiting on news from our shipper to see if we have another container on Tuesday.